Hello, my name is Selvin. I am an IT contractor and I'm on my way to become a Linux system administrator. My name is Selvin. As an IT contractor, my responsibilities and duties are essentially helping people with their IT issues. And the reason why I chose to be a Linux system administrator is because 70% at least, or 80% of servers and devices now run on Linux. I think one of the reasons why I want to change roles is because Linux system administrators are on demand. It takes more skills to be able to manage Linux systems and servers, and that is why I'm down for the challenge. Well, it's definitely said that Linux administrators are one of the top pays in IT because of the skills that it takes to manage server Linux systems. And yes, that is one reason why have a better income, have a financial freedom, but also because, like I previously said, it's just a skill on demand to have nowadays. There's been some challenges transitioning into Linux because everything in Linux, it's a bit different from other servers and systems such as Windows. In Linux, at least through the program, we are getting familiar with the command line. So everything has to be done through commands, which is something quite new to me since I work with the command line, but not as 100% as we're going through on the course, which I think it's really good because it's giving me that foundation and strong skills to be able to manage a system through the command line. So I guess overall, the challenges to transition into Linux are mostly just getting familiar with new ways of doing things, all through command base. I think because at the end of the path, it's gonna be rewarding since there's a lot of opportunities out there, but I guess being the right candidate will put me on a position where, like I mentioned before, the money is good, the pay is great, and just to become a Linux system administrator opens the doors for me to just go and basically work from anywhere. Definitely look into Linux. As I mentioned before, is a growing field. It's on demand, and Linux is the foundation. From there, you can go into basically anything: security engineer, cloud engineer, cloud administrator, since all these services are hosted on Linux.